4. Tree fall analysis. Click the Tree Fall button. The default parameters point to start. Click the Tree ID Display button. The vegetation can be displayed by single wood segmentation mode. Double-click the result list. Display the nearest distance to the wire during the tree collapse. Click the Image button and check the Tree Down option to generate the image. Click Report button. Detection type select Tree Fall. Enter the line name and click Start button to generate the report.